bring in attorney Brian Claypool, who joins me now. Brian, I want to get some of this video in, so let's start with the first piece of it here. This is Officer Green, who was the first officer on the scene, showing jurors the shotgun that Murdaugh had on him at the scene. Watch this.
I'll be sure not to point at anybody, of course. You know what gauge that firearm is? At least a 12 gauge. Thank you.
All right, you know what? Let's get in one more piece of video here. This is the body cam audio of Murdaugh explaining where he was before that Sergeant Green arrived on the scene. Watch this.
Did you get home right when you called, or did you go to the house first? Where is the house?
I came to the house first. My mom has late stages Alzheimer's, and my dad is in the hospital. Okay. I left. I don't know what time. I can go back on my phone and tell you the exact time. Did you check?
Okay. Did I check what?
Did you check them?
We got medical guys that are. That's what they're going to do. Okay.
What are they doing? Can they hurry?
They are. Yes, sir.
Brian, what's your take on what we've seen so far here?
Hey, Martha, man, this is a heavyweight boxing match in a courtroom, and I will tell you that both sides have some great arguments, and they're going to get certain rounds. They're going to go in their favor, and at the end of this trial, you may very well have the jury being the judges with a split decision. Let's talk a little bit about the prosecution. I think 2 or 3 really key pieces of evidence that's going to help in their case. You've mentioned one already in your clip. Motive. Remember, everybody was talking a few weeks ago, oh, there's really no motive. I don't know how they're going to prove motive. Well, look, that comment that you just played by Murdaugh, he was arguably trying to manufacture a motive, right? About, oh, somebody else was threatening my son, right? The motive against the son for killing his own son, just to be clear, is his finances were going to be revealed in a civil lawsuit. So he had a motive there. With his wife, Maggie, she had already confronted him, and the law firm was ready to fire him, and the crap was going to hit the fan with his finances. So there is a legitimate motive. Let's talk about 2 other things, though. There's going to be a video that's going to be introduced in this case that Paul had at 8:54 p.m. that he took with Murdaugh's voice in the background in the kennel where he was killed at 8:54, Martha. That's within 10 minutes of him being killed. So you now have him placed at the scene of the shooting. And then you've got shell casings that match the gun that Murdaugh owned.
Brian, thank you. This is going to be a running story for us throughout this trial. It is a fascinating trial. Brian, thanks for being here. Brian Claypool.
You bet.
Joining us. Okay.